In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language WooCommerce. By the end, you'll know exactly how to install the tool you need to manage and adjust WooCommerce text on your site in the language you want. First, open your WordPress website and head to the dashboard. This is where you control everything on your site. To install the tool we need, look to the left-hand menu and click Plugins. This is the section where you add, manage, and update the software that extends your site's functionality. Inside Plugins, click Add New. This opens the plugin library, which lets you search and install tools directly from within WordPress. In the search bar at the top right, type Loco Translate. Give it a second to load the results. You're looking for the plugin named Loco Translate. It's widely used for translating themes and plugins, including WooCommerce, and it keeps your translations stored safely within your site files. When you see Loco Translate in the results, click it to open its details if you want to double-check you've got the right one. You can glance at the ratings, active installations, and last update date to confirm it's well-maintained and compatible with your version of WordPress. When you're ready, click Install. WordPress will download and set it up for you automatically. Once the button changes, click Activate. Activating makes the plugin live on your site so you can start using it. That's it for the installation. Loco Translate is now added to your WordPress dashboard. This is the plugin you can use to change language-related text for WooCommerce. It's especially helpful when you want to fine-tune translations for labels, buttons, and messages that appear in your store. And it keeps your changes from being overwritten by updates. A couple of quick tips to keep everything smooth. Make sure you have the right user permissions to install plugins, typically an administrator role. If your search doesn't show Loco Translate immediately, check your internet connection or try refreshing the page. Also, it's a good habit to ensure your site has a recent backup before installing new plugins, just in case you ever need to roll back. To recap, you opened your WordPress site, went to Plugins, clicked Add New, searched for Loco Translate, and then installed and activated it. With that done, you're ready to use this plugin to handle translations for WooCommerce text across your store.